Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the declaration in the sign declaration section on the Invoice Maker and Estimate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and tap on Settings down below. After that, click on Other in the middle of the screen. Scroll down to this Sign Declaration section, tap on it, and then you should type in your declaration. If you are done, click on the About section, and as you can see, when you create an invoice and other documents, you can add signature page for each signee. Just simply open a document, then tap on Preview, and then click on Sign. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.